Oh, I'm so sorry, Fluttershy.
No, I'm the one who should be sorry. This didn't go at all like I had imagined. Sleep tight, little one. It's going to be okay, I promise. Now, every mouse has got to wait their turn. Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought I'd have a beautiful sanctuary for you all to stay in by now, but I put my trust in the wrong ponies.
It's okay, Fluttershy. I know you did your best. But we can make this work here. It'll be a bit, tight. But with your help, we'll have these patients back on their paws in no time. Even without a sanctuary.
No! I won't give up. These animals need me, and I'm gonna solve this once and for all. If this little lady can crawl all the way here from Western Equestria, I can find a way to build her a safe place to rest! Oops. Everyone back to sleep now. Thanks for coming, every pony. As you know, building the sanctuary didn't go quite as planned.
I know, right? Who would have guessed that Hard Hat wouldn't build whatever you want?
I never would have invited Dandy to help if I thought he'd act in such a manner.
And Wrangler sure made a fool out of me, too. I'm sorry, Fluttershy.
It's okay. You were all just trying to help. But I know that letting all the experts go was the right call.
So what are you gonna do now?
Try again. I'm going to rebuild the sanctuary and do it my way this time.
You shut up, silly!
That's the spirit.
How about putting an awesome flying course for the birds right there?
And a carrot cake stand here!
Ooh, a library cave?
Every pony, stop! I appreciate you sharing your thoughts, but I need every pony to respect mine. Other ponies may be experts in their fields, but animals are my field of expertise. And if I say this is what I want, then this is what needs to happen! Oh, for the animals, of course.
Wow! We should call you Flutter Bold now.
Yeah.
To get things back on track, I called in a favor from an old friend. He'll be here any minute.
I thought you said no more experts.
This is one expert I know I can trust to put the animals first. Plus, there's no pony better at building.
I heard some pony needs construction help for them critters.
Big Daddy McColt! We met each other back when the map called me and Fluttershy to the Smoky Mountains.
And he certainly knows his stuff when it comes to buildings and caring for animals.
Well, shucks. Let's not stand around talking about it. Let's build us a sanctuary!
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm more excited than a beaver in a log pile!
Okay, you can open your eyes. Welcome to Sweet Feather's Sanctuary, a safe and cozy retreat for every creature.
Oh, Fluttershy, this is amazing!
Now you should have plenty of room at the clinic, because once you've treated them, they can recover here. With my help, of course. It's okay, Lola. We all move at our own pace. Sometimes, all we need to do is believe in our dreams. And when we finally reach our goal, we'll know that it was worth what it took to get there. Because the view will be even better than you imagined.